Welcome to another video, guys. In this recipe you need some eggs and some Indomie noodles. You would need some canned beef, I love Exeter, and some sausages. You will need some onions, and then you need some sardines, then some vegetables. In this vegetable series I'm using some carrots, some cucumber, and then some spring onions. So I'll just start by prepping all of the ingredients. All right. Now you are going to boil your water. Make sure that your water is boiling before you add your noodles or your Indomie noodles, okay? Then make sure that you add the oil from the noodles in the Indomie. That is the actual secret, okay? It will make it very delicious. All right.
Mama said you're meant to burn as bright as a star among the midnight sky. All the pressure blinded me, but now I see I'm not different from the rest. You said I'd fly away, but my walls have kept me down. Now I'm lost and I'm afraid, and I'm close to hit the ground. You said I'd fly away. You said I'd fly.
I want to end today's video here, okay, guys? And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you so much. I'll see you in my next video, all right? And if you came here with any form of heavy heart, I pray that God help you in whatever that you are going through right now, okay? And I love you guys so much. I appreciate you guys. I do not take you guys for granted. I'll see you in the next video, okay? Bye. Bye-bye. Mwah.